Welcome to Glenda's Kitchen, where God always speaks. So today I am making a very special smoothie for my friend Movie Mike. He's behind the camera doing amazing things. So in my book on page 94, I think it is, there is a recipe for a green smoothie. But today we're just gonna be creative and free, just like Mike is with the camera. And I have a fresh pineapple that is so ripe that I can smell the juices right now. And we're just cutting that pineapple up, and we're gonna actually put some fresh pineapple in there and some fresh, ooh, I need some coconut milk. Have you ever had a smoothie with coconut milk? Let's ask Mike. Mike, you like coconut?
I do.
Ooh, oh, we gotta get some coconut milk in here.
Right.
So you put a little coconut milk and you got that pineapple, that pina colada flavors going on. Now that's amazing. Now, we wanna always cut out that heart piece. That's the part that you wanna suck when nobody's looking. Definitely not in the camera. But it's nice and crunchy, but it still has some flavor on it. A few strawberries. So we got fresh fruit and frozen fruit. Bromelain is one of the main ingredients in pineapple that you get that's just great. And bromelain is known for helping you break down your food, digest your food. One of the grandmothers in my life, if my children had fever, she'd say, get them a cup of fresh pineapple juice. And do you know drinking pineapple juice at night and then getting in the bed actually lowers the fever? Who knew? It is the truth. It works. I tried it. Now in this fresh, we have frozen peaches and grapes and strawberries. You could take 1 teaspoon of chia seed and put it in a half a cup of water, and it will absorb all the water. It's great omega-3, 6, 9, amazing for helping the digestion, lowering cholesterol. It's just great stuff. Great fiber in this. And actually they used to hold it and wet it and drink it because it would keep them hydrated, because it absorbs all the liquid in it, that you will stay hydrated with it. And it helps you stay full. So then guess what? You don't eat as much. So we're gonna just go ahead and just sprinkle about a tablespoon in there. And also you can do either chia seed or flaxseed. If you're female, flaxseed is my go-to because flaxseed also is known for helping balance hormones. And then if you think you need a little extra protein, being plant-based, protein is not one of those things that I lack. Protein is in everything from spinach to all kinds of vegetables and beans. You get it everywhere. And if you wonder a question that, look at the elephant. The elephant only eats green grass. And he's strong and full of muscles, not lacking anything. Neither are we just because we're eating plants. Hemp seed is high in protein. You can take 3 tablespoons of this and you got 10 grams of protein. Okay? Now this is an organic coconut milk. There's nothing in this. It says ingredients: coconut milk and gargon. You want the coconut milk that doesn't have all the emulsifiers and things in it. You don't want that. Now, you can use almond milk, soy milk, you can use whatever, flax milk, rice milk, any milk that you choose you can use. Now we have all our ingredients in here. Oh, look at that good fat. That's that coconut fat. We're just gonna slow down with a little bit of that. And I'm gonna add a little bit of my peach juice, just because this is for Movie Mike. He's never had a smoothie, so we have to wow him, right? Just gonna add a little bit of that in there. And another thing I like, fruit is sweet already, but some people like just a little extra. So we're gonna put a little raw honey. Now another secret that I love, if you're not gonna use raw honey, is stevia. It's so sweet that one little bit is so sweet that if you ever use it and it's not correct, you'll never try it again because it's so sweet, it's bitter. I also like monk fruit. I also like maple syrup even. Now we're just gonna put about a tablespoon in here just to up this flavor for him. There we go. Now, I love vanilla flavoring. Gotta add a little flavor, right? Whether it's vanilla, lemon, I love all flavorings. And hey, if you're looking for a gift from me, buy me a barrel of flavoring. You know, I love that. Or kitchen gadget, love that. So we'll put a little flavoring in there. You don't have to add any ice because we added frozen fruit. So we're just gonna blend this and see how it works. There we go. Turn it on. Hold your ears. Now I'm gonna pause that because I want to add just a little more frozen fruit because I want it to be creamy and thick and so you can suck it up in the straw. Oh yeah, just a little bit. There we go. Now what I want you to do is follow a recipe. I'm being creative for the creator behind the camera. All right. Here we go. Now let's see, Movie Mike, what you think?
Hey, Miss Glenda.
What's up, man?
Wow.
This is my Movie Mike, man. He's amazing.
Wow, yeah. I've been blessed to be on the set. God speaks in the kitchen. I'm gonna try it out. So I just drink it?
Just drink it. Just drink it.
I've had this before. This is like a milkshake.
It can be like a milkshake.
So this
when I add that coconut milk in there,
wow,
that made it more milky. You can add more fruit and you can not use the milk at all and it'll be more icy.
But this tastes like just like a strawberry milkshake.
Really?
Not even like a, is this, well, not like yogurt, like strawberry yogurt, but it's like sweeter.
We use that fresh pineapple. And that raw honey that we put in there
the honey
will be good for you actually, because raw honey is great. I mean, it's anti a lot of stuff.
It's so thick though. I love it.
Awesome. All right, we got Movie Mike on board.
Thumbs up.
Get him a fresh smoothie, man.
Absolutely. I'm gonna go finish this.
All right, you enjoy.
Thank you.
And you take care.